It's all going to hell. Every network went down 10 minutes ago. That ticket is the only thing that will get you on board. Iris, protect that ticket.
Do not stop moving! If you stop, you'll be left behind! Ticket and passengers only! Move it! Move it!
I know what you're thinking, but there aren't enough ships for everyone. I'm sorry, Iris, but we can only save ourselves. And you have to get to that ship now.
Group Sigma Blue to ARC 14B. All Sigma Blue members report to ARC 14B immediately.
That's you, Iris. You need to get to 14B now. I'll be here waiting for you. Now hurry!
The breaking room!
Emergency launch protocol has begun. ARC begin launch sequence. T-1 minute.
Iris, the ships are leaving. Go, now! We're out of time! Iris, where are you? Iris! We're leaving! Iris!
Three, two, one.
Someone needs to help us.
They left us. How could they do this?
Iris, listen to me. I promise you I will find a way back to you. I promise I will find a way back no matter what. Iris. Iris, it's me. I need you to go back. Go back to where I left you. Go back to where I left you.
Message has been repeated for 2 years.
Iris,
Any further transmission puts us at grave risk.
say more.
It's time for Plan B. Calibrate for alternate transmission.
Calibrated. Backup message uploaded.
Send it. Godspeed, Iris.
I miss people. I miss parties. I have no juice. No signal. I'm broken.
How about giving it a rest, Bowie?
I used to have music. I could get parties going. But there's nobody here to party with. Just sand. I'm juiceless.
Yeah, no juice. I got you. And I'm working on it, okay? This is probably our best bet to find something to fix you. Or someone.
When was the last time you seen a someone? It's been years.
Bowie, just hold it together, all right?
You remember when a couple someones would just get together and put on some music and dance and party?
Bowie, record this message.
Recording video log 971.
Hi, Uncle Ryan. It's an important day. 2 years since I last saw you. People stopped trusting each other pretty quickly after the ships took off. That thing in the sky, you called it Ion. Whatever it is, a star, a black hole, some distant explosion. All I know is, the closer it gets, the worse things get. And it won't be long until it finishes us off. For good. But I'm still here. Like you taught me, no matter what, hope keeps us alive.
Iris!
Yeah, I see it! Bowie, your window!
Ugh, so sick of the sand.
Well, I think we are here.
Iris, this place doesn't look like it has a signal.
It doesn't. Just keep your eyes peeled, Bowie.
I see nothing. I see a house. Another house. Another house.
Up there.
What?
What is that?
That's a house. Why is it all wrapped up?
Someone is protecting it.
Ooh.
Let's go see.
Okay, let's go see. Iris, I'm so excited. All right. Oh, nice. Okay, oh.
They still have power. See that?
I do. All right. Give it a knock. It just opened. Let's get in there. Come on.
Hello? Anyone here? Hello?
I don't think anyone's up. Look! Oh! Look at all this partying. It's got cups and bottle caps and pennies. Oh, wow!
Just power up while you can. I'm gonna go look.
I'm way ahead of you. Linking up now.
Around.
Iris, there's a signal. I have juice. There's all the data and files and messages and... Oh! Iris! There's music. I'm downloading all of it.
Hello? Hello?
I have so much music. I'm downloading all of this. I'm getting all of it. This song, I'm just gonna download all of it.
Bowie, record this message.
Recording video message 972.
Hi, Uncle Ryan. I don't know if this will get to you. You taught me, no matter what, hope keeps us alive. that there's no life without hope. But there's no hope without life. I'm not scared of dying. I'm not. I don't want to be forgotten. Don't forget us. Don't forget me.
I won't forget you. Well, maybe not after this. We never sold stuff this good in my store.
You had a store.
I never told you? For years and years, I put everything into that place. One spring, I got a call in the middle of the night, told me a tornado took the entire place down. When I got there to check on it, it was just a big pile of sticks. God, I hate those.
Seems like it's getting worse every day.
Seems like it's following us every day.
We can't stay here much longer.
After 2 years, does it really matter?
Don't do that, June. If you give up, I might too.
Man, I think we need some music. Bowie!
Okay, let me find a good song. How about this?
A jet black train comes rolling in.
You must be crazy to think you could be forgotten. Your message you just recorded to Ryan. You'll always be remembered. What you did for me? For my perfect little starman. Up there. Somewhere. Alive. Because of you. Bowie!
I'm on it. Okay, yeah, let me find one. I'm trying to find one.
It's me. I need you to go back. Go back to where I left you.
That voice. It can't be.
So I can find you again. I wish I could say more.
Ryan!
Iris?
Just remember, salvation comes in the blink of an eye. And never give up, Iris.
That was a terrible song.
It's him.
Iris.
Tim, it's me. Is it me?
Oh, Bowie must have downloaded that when he plugged in.
Iris, what's going on? Who was that?
He's trying to tell me to go back to the launch site. Go back so he can find me.
Iris?
He's coming back for us.
Iris, we don't know when that message was recorded. We don't even know where in the universe Ryan is. They are long gone. For 2 years now.
He said he'd find me. He's never failed before.
That storm destroys everything it touches. What makes you think it won't destroy you? You're gonna get yourself killed.
We gotta go, June. I promise you, we will make it through the storm, and when we find Ryan, we can—
Not me. I'm not coming.
June, I'm not leaving you.
My son escaped this world. He's alive. My job is done. And I am sick of running. We will be okay. Just do me one favor. Don't forget about me.
I'd never forget you, June.
And if you meet my son, tell him I say, hello, little sprout.
Iris, I'm so excited. Putting up the tarp. Good idea. Good idea. Good. Good. I like it. That's smart. Oh, we are so losing this tarp. Oh, yeah. Got a little eye hole. Nice. All right. Okay, please tell me you're going to say something awesome.
All right, Bowie. I think it's time to play the good stuff.
I got just the one! Iris, you're the best party there is.
Thank you for being here. Bowie, you ready for this?
I live for this.
Wait, is that a nightlight?
Yeah, it's a nightlight mode.
I didn't know you had a nightlight mode.
Me neither. That could have came in handy a lot of times.
Okay, Ryan. Anytime now. You can show up at any time.
Iris, you can't give up. Remember what your uncle said. Salvation and come in the blink. What? Oh! Iris, look! Ooh, party food. Good sign.
Hello? Ryan? Ryan? Ryan, are you here? This is incredible.
Well, this is exciting indeed. Hello, Iris. Would you like to get off this planet?
How do you...
He's fond of rhetorical questions. Let's go. We've been waiting for you.
Who the hell are you? Where's Ryan?
We need to leave now.
I'm not going anywhere until I know where my uncle is.
We're wasting time.
I've been waiting for this moment for 2 years. Tell us who you are or where Ryan is, or I'm not going anywhere.
I can't tell you where he is, because I don't know.
I think the real question here is, who are you, Mystery Shadow Guy?
People call me Kingslayer.
Ooh, very moody. I'm sold. Hi, Mr. Kingslayer. I'm Bowie.
How do you know Ryan?
I don't know Ryan. I actually knew your parents.
What a twist.
Your father. Your father was my best friend. And if you can't believe that, then maybe you'll believe this.
Hi, sweetheart.
Dad?
We're leaving tomorrow. And you'll be too young to understand why. You gotta believe that I would have been there if I could. But life has a way of taking the things that you love the most. Your mother and I have to fight an unwinnable battle. And it won't be the first, it won't. But we have to try to destroy this thing before it arrives. My Uncle Ryan is going to look after you. He's gonna keep you safe. Oh, sweetheart. I love you. Bunches and bunches. I know what it's like to be alone. And anytime you feel that, just reach out your hand. Because someone will come along.
Spark the engines. We're leaving.
Engine sparked.
My parents, are they...
I don't know. But come with me, and we can find out together.
Iris, I'm so in.
That's good enough for me.
It's